And those winds already starting to pick up here along Green Mountain in Lakewood, where thousands of homes will be under both a red flag and high wind warning beginning late tomorrow morning. And that has disaster response teams on standby for a potentially busy day tomorrow. It is certainly dry out here, and they are concerned about that, so they're getting ready for a potentially busy day tomorrow. The Red Cross says if you live along the Front Range, you really should consider preparing today and not waiting until tomorrow. They say these December conditions could be similar to what we saw when the Marshall Fire happened 4 years ago. They say that disaster taught us a lot about how to prepare for potential wildfires and the devastating impacts these high winds can have.
Oh, absolutely. Once a wildfire starts, it spreads quickly. And so you want to be safe. You want your family and others to be safe. And just making sure that you've done that in advance can save a life. We encourage everyone to take a look around their home on the outside. Wildfire mitigation is extremely important. So take a look at any of the leaves or branches or anything in their yard that might be left over from that fall raking season. Take a look at any kind of cushions from patio furniture, anything like that that's flammable. Make sure those are all pulled in. Also look at grills. Make sure that those propane tanks, you disconnect them, store them properly.
Now, in addition to creating that defensible space around your home, the Red Cross says you should also consider packing a go bag today, just in case. And with that potential for power outages that we talked about earlier in the show, they recommend making sure all of your important devices are charged and that you have access to a generator or another power source. Again, good idea to get all of that in order today so that you're not scrambling tomorrow. Sam, Alex, I can tell you there is a lot of anxiety in this community, both about the unplanned and potential for planned power outages here. And of course, with how dry it is and what happened 4 years ago, lots of anxiety anytime these winds are as strong as they're expected to be tomorrow. Reporting live in Lakewood, Evan Krugel, 9 News.
Evan, thanks. We certainly have seen the worst case scenario. So the fact that everybody's being, proactive about this, fingers crossed that tomorrow goes smoothly.